During the World War, there was a need for combat and armored vehicles in any form. The desperate attempt to create any war vehicle instigated a number of bizarre vehicles. Let us begin our top 10 weird military cars and trucks produced up to 1918. Number 10. The Garford-Putilov Armored Car. Garford-Putilov cars were a type of armored fighting vehicles produced in Russia during the First World War era. Although considered to be a rugged and reliable machine by its users, the Putilov was severely underpowered. With a total weight of about 11 tons, these vehicles had a top speed of approximately 16 to 18 km per hour. The design was also top-heavy and therefore had very limited off-road capabilities. Number 9. Aardhart EV4. The EV4 was one of the first examples of a type of high and flat-sided armored car design that the Germans used almost until the start of the Second World War for internal policing duties. It weighed nearly 9 tons, had a crew of 8 or 9 soldiers, and carried an armament of up to 3 machine guns. Number 8. Austin Armored Car. The Austin Armored Car was a British armored car produced during the First World War. The vehicle is best known for its employment by the Russian Army in the First World War and by different forces in the Russian Civil War. Number 7. Bussing A5P. The A5P was an armored car produced in Germany during World War I. The production of the A5P began in 1916 and produced in limited numbers. It had a large armored body and was crewed by 10 men. 6 of the crew operated 3 7.92mm machine guns. Number 6. Jeffrey Armored Car. Also known as Jeffrey Poplavko for its designer. Basing upon a US Jeffrey truck chassis, it was the first all-terrain armored car. Number 5. Lanchester. The Lanchester Armored Car was a British armored car produced during the First World War. In 1914, the Lanchester was the second most numerous armored car in service after the Rolls-Royce. It was originally designed to support air bases and retrieve downed pilots. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Armored Car, 1914. The Rolls-Royce Armored Car was constructed on the chassis of a 1920 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, which is regarded in contemporary motoring circles as the best car in the world. Built between 1906 and 1926, the elegant Ghost was certainly never intended for military service. It edged into that role after gaining a reputation for toughness and durability. Number 3. Davidson Automobile Battery Armored Car. The Davidson Automobile Battery Armored Car was built by the Royal Page Davidson and his students at the Northwestern Military and Naval Academy. There, they built 2 of these partially armored military vehicles in 1901. They were armed with Colt .30 caliber machine guns, and they were powered by a tubular steam boiler, which meant that they had difficulty in going up hills because of the changes of the water level in the boiler. Number 2. Motor War Car, 1899. The Motor War Car was the world's first real armored car. The vehicle had Vickers armor 6mm thick and was powered by a 4-cylinder, 3.3-liter, 16-horsepower Canstad Daimler engine, giving it a maximum speed of around 14.5 km per hour. Number 1. Armored Quadricycle, 1898. The quadricycle was the first armed petrol engine powered vehicle ever built. It was designed and built by British inventor F.R. Sims in 1898. He constructed the vehicle by mounting a Maxim machine gun on the front wheels bar of a Didillon Bouton quadricycle. He also put an iron shield in the front of the car for the driver's protection. The driver also operated the machine gun. Thanks for watching.